Hello everyone, dear friends. In this video, I want to show you a secret method to earn money with binary options. Even a beginner with a small balance can actually make good money on binary options using one very cool indicator. Before watching this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Today, we will be trading on indices. I will show you a really cool indicator. The indicator is called price channel. It is a channel within which the price keeps moving. So, let me show you how this indicator works. When the price approaches the support, it immediately shoots up. When the price approaches the resistance, it goes down. Our task is to wait until the price comes close to the support, open a trade for about 2 minutes with $500 for an upward movement and wait for it to be in profit. Similarly, when the price approaches the resistance, we open a trade for a downward movement. So, it's all as simple as possible. There's nothing complicated here at all. Just wait for the price to reach the support and wait for the price to reach the resistance. There is also a blue line here. You can also trade based on the crossover. How does this work? That is, when the price crosses the blue line from below upwards, you enter a trade for an upward movement at the crossover. When the price crosses the blue line from above downwards, you enter a trade for a downward movement at the blue line. And this, guys, works really well. I also recommend that you open a trade for 1% or 0.5% if possible. This will be very good because if my current trade for $500 ends up in a loss, $500 is less than 0.5% of my deposit. Now I will open a trade for $1,000 and thereby cover the loss. We can see that the price has gone a bit lower after all, so I'm going to go for it. There's nothing critical here. If the first trade is a loss, there's really nothing critical about it. We just open a deal up to the 9th minute for an increase right now. Right now, we open a trade for an increase. You see, I thought there would be a reversal, but the price went even lower. Nothing to worry about. We'll recover it with a follow-up trade. We'll take this trade back. Let's also have a look at some other indices. By the way, I'm trading on the Binary MSA broker, and if you are interested, the link to this broker is in the pinned comment. This is an official broker that operates in Brazil. There's also a promo code available. There are no issues with this broker. No problems with withdrawals or deposits here. Overall, it's a good broker. I recommend it to everyone. I've been trading with this broker for more than 3 years and I haven't faced any problems during this time. So basically, I can confidently recommend it. So what do we have here? It's the 9th minute. We are waiting for the trade to play out and there's growth basically. If there's a good impulse, we can even take this trade upwards as well. So look, the opening point is right here. Here, I opened an upward trade until the 9th minute. There's still 1 minute left until 13:09. So, if at 13:09, see, the first trade is a loss, well, it just needed a bit more time, you see, just a few seconds short, guys. So, at 13:09, if the price is above the point where I opened the trade, I'll make my money, that is, I'll earn a net profit of $850. I opened the trade with 1,000 and I'll make $850 net profit. So, I'll cover the previous $500 loss, and $350 will be my net earnings with the help of this indicator, all in just a few minutes. Yes, guys, I have a large balance because I've been trading for a long time, so basically, I can earn $500 a day, or $100, or even $2,000. It all depends on the market. It depends on how the market will be and how well the indicator performs. But overall, if you trade according to the rules, that is, the first trade is 0.5% or 1%, you will always be in profit. This is the simplest indicator possible. Yes, the trade was profitable. We earned $350 net. Look, this broker operates in India, in Brazil, in Chile, and in general, there are many countries where this broker works. If you are from India or Brazil, you can confidently trade with this broker, or even if you are from any other country. Look, let me explain once again how it works. That is, when the price approaches the support level, right here you see at the support we open a trade for an increase. When it reaches the resistance, we open a trade for a decrease. So we have a green button here for an upward trade and a red button for a downward trade. It's as simple as it gets. There's nothing complicated about it. You just connect the indicator, it's called price channel, trade as you like and make a profit. By the way, after registration, your chart will look like this. That is, well, you can't make head or tail of it, nothing is clear here. Click right here. And then just switch over. And here, add the indicator you need. I also recommend opening at least a 1-minute time frame. That's how this video turned out. All the links to my Telegram channel, as well as to the broker and promo codes, are in the pinned comment. Go ahead, trade, and make a profit. Big hugs to everyone.